Hello, I'm Adam, and today I will answer the question in which direction the power bank market went in the last, I don't know, 5 years. There is something new, but if you could see in the Xiaomi bank, there was something named ZMI. And generally long time ago, Xiaomi had sub-brand in power banks, and it was ZMI. And generally those are pretty good power banks, some kind of innovative that has Bluetooth or something, but whatever. Yeah, and INIU is, if I read correctly, is brand which comes after ZMI. Yeah, so it's not like the I don't know, totally unknown brand. Generally they have experience, and there comes INIU P62 65 watts of maximum output and 20,000 milliamp hour battery. And let's see how it will look like, as always, and what we get in our box. And oh my gosh. Okay, but first go greener within you, yay. Okay, pretty nice instructions. Display maximum output and maximum input output parameters. As we can see, there is a very nice way that we've got paper, we've got lithium batteries, and we've got output table in all combinations. So for example, if we will use as you can see, any combination like USB-C out 1, and we can have 20 volts and 3.25 amps, which gives us 65 watts. Yeah, and if we use 2 ports, 1 plus 2 equals 65, 63, 15 and 60. Yeah, so this is the table of the truth of its performance. But well, my goal in power bank was not the fastest, not the best. INIU official, okay. My goal in looking for power bank in 2025 was not to find the quickest charging, the most powerful, the biggest, because, by the way, if you want to take this power bank on a plane, it must be under 27 milliamp hour battery. That equals 100 watt hours around. Yeah. So anyway, we are like limited to this size. Yeah. And now, how does the INIU look like? And how does it feel like? Well, 45%. Oh, you don't see that. Yeah, 45% the display is showing. Pretty simple display, yeah, nothing special. Plastic is some, like satin plastic, which feels pretty good. I mean, about premium. There we've got button, and there are the ports. As you can see, there is one USB-C in and out, which can give us 65 watts. We've got USB-C 2 and USB-A 3, and which is sad for me. Using USB 2 and 3, we've got total 15 watts, which equals 5 volt 3 amp. Unfortunately, if you know me, I've got the 5G modem and the CADI router. I hope it will be enough. I hope. I was measuring those things a lot. I hope it will be enough, but there is no guarantee, unfortunately. What I wanted to have? Well, I wanted to have ability to charge laptop, and those two were designed to have CADI router and more power, additional power for the 5G modem. Yeah. Okay, that's how it looks like, and there we've got a cable. Okay, I mean, what I can say, like I like those type of cables much more that we've got silicone and that's it. It feels to me not flexible enough, but of course there we've got a braid that needs to be there to have a strong holding of the endings, and we have, yay, I showed you that like a few years ago we had it. But whatever, well, that's okay. I mean, I'm not sure if I will use it, and I see a risk in scratching, like, yeah, but okay. So now let's check how those power banks weights, because it's very important. Yeah, okay, because this is the direction when modern power banks are going. If we take a look on the INIU 20,000 milliamp hour battery, and it's about 2 grams, so whatever. Let's say we've got 315 grams for 20,000 milliamp hour battery. If we take a look on the Xiaomi power bank, okay, it's in casing. Let's subtract like 10 grams or something. 465 grams. Guys, you got it in your backpack. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's about the difference in a phone. Because phones, it depends on size, but yeah, you got it. Yeah. Next, we've got Samsung, which is plastic. We are eco, so we should be light. And 210. So for 10,000. Yeah, for 10,000. Next, the Xiaomi 280. Let's repeat it. 280 for premium aluminum filling is like you can scratch something. So yeah, but for premium power bank, premium made, 280 grams for 10,000 milliamp hours. Then versus 315. Guys, it's like 40 grams or 30, whatever. But we've got doubled the capacity, which is, wow, it's a lot. It's a lot, totally a lot. And if we can take a look, there we've got 37 watt hours. But in this case, we've got 72 watt hours. So, yes, to be more specific, 72, 37. How about others? 37. And there we've got 74. Yeah. So as you can see, 74 versus 72 watt hours. Guys, that's massive improvement. Like 1/3. By the way, it's new power bank bought in 2025, and maybe even it's new model for 2025. As we can see, there is no CCC marking on this power bank. That means it will be thrown to trash when traveling in China, but only in internal flights. But if you are flying internally in China, you should have China power bank, and generally power banks only for China market will have the CCC mark. So anyway, we are not able to buy standard CCC marked power bank because it's not for our region.